So I just checked into my room again. I've done a room tour here. They have not remodeled these rooms yet. Again, it's still kind of the surfer theme. There's a little Hitty Mickey on the curtain. But anyway, this is a pretty nice hotel. There's the locked up soap and shampoo. This is an older one, so obviously it hasn't been remodeled, like I said. But very spacious. And I like this. It's always nice to have one of these little nook areas. There's the garbage. Nook. Hello. Alright, let's move on. Aren't the beds cute? So now they're, now it's going to be Pixar themed. They used to have these walls on there before COVID, so now everything is getting pretty much close to normal. Again, still a little beachy. And let's see my view. It's very bright out. Oh! I got a park view, so that's cool. So that's California over there. But there's Guardians of the Galaxy. And there's the street that I'll walk across. And then they do have their own, again, this hotel has their own special entrance into California, which will put you over here towards the fun wheel on the Pixar Pier area, because it's called Pixar. It's going to be called Pixar Place, I think. Took a minute to remember what the name is. They're still doing construction in the front. Like I said, they still have to do construction in the rooms, remodel. I'm sure all these pictures are going to go away. They'll bring in more Pixar stuff, but I'll try to take some more pictures of the lobby, because the lobby is done. Again, it's more beachy. And they do have television, very large television, but they do have the refrigerator and safe over here, so that's really good. There are drawers in case you need them. This actually is another bed. You just flip this part down. Flip this part down, these little tabs. Come down, and it's a single. So it's not a pull-out sofa, it's just a single bed. And then, of course, you have the two doubles. Two double beds. Nice. Ooh. I have some... Is that not cute? Oh my gosh. That's a cute little thing. And this is valued guest. How cute is that? That's a really nice thing that they have. That's new. Yeah, it's not a bad hotel. It's definitely, needs to be remodeled. It is one of the older ones, but the closet's very large. Has ironing board, extra pillow and blankets, luggage rack. Iron should be over here. Yep, ironing board, and hair dryer's there. So it's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple room, but I really like it. It'll be really kind of cool to see it once it's finished with the whole Pixar thing. Paradise Pier, which will be Pixar Place soon, the hotel I was staying at. So I got them. I found them. I don't know, they're not focusing very well, but that's Wally. This one is... What's this one? Oh, The Incredibles. Can you see them very well? I don't know. It's kind of a glare. And then, of course, this is the Pixar ball and the lamp. Luxo. This is actually probably my favorite one. And then, of course, Dory and Nemo. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. This is my favorite one. But these are, like I said, at the Paradise Pier Hotel currently, and then they're remodeling it, so it will eventually be Pixar Place. And you can find these inside the gift shop.